Let's look at this standard question now. How many distinct positive integer valued solutions exist to the equation a raised to the power b is equal to 1? For this type of question, I know it is of the form a raised to the power b, where a, b are the quadratic expressions and that is equal to 1. So for this question, I need to take care of three cases. First case is this would be true when a is anything and b is equal to 0. When you raise anything to the power 0, you always get 1, except that a cannot be equal to 0, right? So b has to be equal to 0, then a could be anything, apart from except for the 0, because in that case it become undefined form of 0 raised to the power 0. So b has to be 0. This is the first case. Second case would be when a equal to 1, and b could be anything. If you raise 1 to anything, you will get this answer as 1, right? Or the third case, when you raise even power to minus 1, right? So a could be minus 1. So a could be minus 1 and b has to be an even number. B has to be an even number. So let's take care of these three cases. First, b is 0. Let's put b is equal to 0. So we have x square plus 3x plus 4 is equal to 0. If I have this relation, can you see the discriminant of this equation would be negative? If the d is negative, roots would be imaginary. So no real solution. So you are not getting any solution from here. No real solution, because it would be b square minus 4ac, right? So b square would be 9 and 4ac would be minus 16. So that is negative. No real solution. Let's take the second case when a is 1. So if you put a is equal to 1, so you get x square minus 5x plus 5 is 1. You get x square minus 5x plus 4 is equal to 0. So it become I can factorize this equation as x minus 4x minus 1 equal to 0. So we get x equal to 1 and x equal to 4. So we get two real solutions from here. Two solutions, right? Two solutions, 1 and 4. And yes, b could be anything, but a has to be 1 and a is 1 for x equal to 1 and 4. Let's take the third case where a is equal to minus 1. So we have x square minus 5x plus 5 is equal to minus 1. So I get x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Can you see minus 3 minus 2 would be the factors? So x minus 2 and x minus 3 would be equal to 0. So we get the value of x as 2, x as 3. Now let's put x equal to 2 in b to check whether b is even or not, right? So at x equal to 2, b would be equal to 2 square 4. 3 into 2 is 6 plus 4. So yes, this is even. So I can take this solution. At x equal to 3, I get b as 339 plus 339 plus 4. 18 plus 4, 22. This is also even. So I need to take this solution also. So in this case, I'm also getting two solutions. So the total distinct positive integer valued solution exists for this equation are 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So correct answer to this question would be 4.